So I've ridden several B&M inverts already. Silver Bullet, a Knott's Berry Farm, Flight Deck at California's Great America, Batman the Ride, at Six Flags Magic Mountain, and now this one. So I've ridden a couple of these, and so far B&M inverts are really not that special, and technically they're known for being glossy smooth and never gives a headbanging. And I know many coaster enthusiasts, or speaking about coaster enthusiasts, some of them do complain that there is a rattle to it, and technically you just need to make sure you keep your head forward so you don't really get that rattle. Technically is what people say. But this pretty green B&M invert is what we're going to review today. And before we start, this is Coaster Crusader's video that I'm going to be using for this footage. So technically, yeah. So we'll get started on Raptor at Cedar Point. As you leave the station, you will turn to the left. You'll kind of do a dip down while you turn around. Proceed to your lift hill. I believe this lift hill is not too high, and you'll be crusting up this lift hill for quite a while. And to your left, you will be able to see the rest of Cedar Point, and to the right, you will see Gatekeeper and the front entrance. So yeah. As you crest to the 137-foot tall lift hill, you get a magnificent view of the ocean. And now you will turn to the right, I believe. Then you're gonna do this vertical loop. Raptor has a total of 6 inversions on the coaster, and then you'll do the 0G roll. 6 inversions, so that's a lot of inversions on this coaster. Cobra roll, of course. This is what you will see here, and you will then go do this kind of spiral thing before hitting the mid-course. This is to allow to run more than one train. I believe they just slow the coaster down so that they can probably operate the coaster safely. So yeah, so they can manage to have multiple trains. Then you'll just do this turnaround going down. You do this corkscrew, which you get whipped over, and turn around over the first drop, and you will do another corkscrew. So these corkscrews on the inverts are always whippy. And then you'll do this kind of helix also, which is also kind of whippy. So yeah, then you will then do another turn, and then you finally hit the brakes on this coaster. Technically it is a long invert, that's why. So back to Coaster Crusader's video that I'll be using. Technically this pretty green coaster is comfortable. I don't see that it's a rough ride or painful. This is built by B&M, Bulger and Mabillard. So this coaster is supposed to be glossy smooth and is fun ride. And as you can tell from the footage that I'm borrowing, they're using these typical over-the-shoulder restraints that B&M loves to use. And technically, I know some people may be complaining that these restraints can be uncomfortable or, you know, can block the view. But technically, this is what B&M came up with, I think, for safety. So technically, they use the over-shoulder restraints, which, don't get me wrong, they're still pretty comfortable on for B&Ms. So technically about this coaster, I like it. It was a fun ride. I think this is one of my favorite coasters by B&M as an inverted coaster that I've ridden among the other 3. So I absolutely loved it. The colors do pop. I love that green and teal supports. Actually, it's not that bad. I thought it was be better if it had black supports, but never mind. It actually doesn't look too bad. So technically, for Raptor, I'm gonna rate it a 6 because it was a fun invert. I rate it at 6 because, you know, I wish it was like a little longer or something, but you know, this ride still packs a punch. So if you ever visited Cedar Point, the next time you visit, I highly recommend to try this coaster because it was a fun ride. So please ride this if you could. If you visit Cedar Point, I highly recommend it. Comment below if you've ridden this coaster before, and if you liked it, please share your comments below. If you hate it, it's okay. Let me know in the comments if you didn't like it. It's okay. Anyway, I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.